Hey guys, it's Krista. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the best plant-based protein smoothie to start your day off. So join me in the kitchen. Let's go. Alright, so first in your blender you're going to add in 1 cup of blueberries. Sometimes I add in a lot more than that because I absolutely love blueberries and they're a lower sugar fruit. Next you'll add in 1/2 to 1 whole frozen banana. After that, I like to add this hemp protein by Nutiva. I really like this because it's fully plant-based, it doesn't have any crummy ingredients in it, and it tastes really good in your smoothie. So 1 serving of that, which is 11 grams of protein, is in 3 scoops. Next, I add in spirulina powder, which is a really great source of your vitamin B12. Next, this is the secret ingredient number 1, 1 whole orange juiced into your smoothie blender. So you can either put in the whole orange peeled or you can just juice the fresh orange juice into your blender. I prefer to just do this because it saves a little bit of time because I'm a very busy mama. Second secret ingredient is a 1/2 inch of ginger peeled. Toss that in there and it is going to make your smoothie taste absolutely amazing. Just a hint of ginger in there. Next, you'll want to add in some filtered water to your smoothie. Now, the amount that you add in your smoothie is based on how liquidy or thick you actually like your smoothie to be. So that amount is up to you. I like mine a little bit on the medium side, not too thick, not too thin. So I add in just a little bit, about 1 cup of water. I personally use this high-speed Vitamix blender, but any blender would work for this specific smoothie. It is not too crazy to blend. Next, you just have to blend it up until it starts turning a beautiful purple color.
A fight or in need, a love or restraint. I'm telling you it's not for gold. Come away, cause I know I won't. The fire in me, the trouble I see. Heaven, won't you let me go? This is it, take a lips, I'm feeling that love. Feeling that love. This is it, take a lips, I'm feeling that love. Feeling that love.
Is that good? Yeah! Yeah, you want some more, don't ya? Yum! You want more? Alright, so let me know what you think of that smoothie. Those secret ingredients are key to making the most delicious smoothie ever. So try it out. Let me know in the description box below what you guys think of the recipe. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.